Alright, I'm inside Barbecue Chicken East Liberty in Liberty Village. The fries came out with the mayo, garlic mayo, I think, yeah. So order fries, I'm waiting for my wings. Alrighty, now the wings came out. This is the sweet chili, I believe, sauce. So here's the basket of wings. And the fries are very good. Yummy, yummy. Okay, I'm gonna record quickly a review for this. So, alright, here's the basket of wings. I'm gonna give it a try. I like the black one. Nice and hot. We're good. Very good. Very saucy. Like a sweet, savory, little kick to the sauce. Cooked well. Very good. A little kick. Have some fries with that. Yeah. My first time here, so it's a good place. I'm gonna come back. I'm happy to try the other flavors, but very good. I'm gonna try the little drumstick. Well, it's juicy. No lie. Take your bite. So if you're in Toronto,